Welcome. Today, I'll show you exactly how to find and browse the home page on the Instagram app for PC, following the latest updates. If you've recently started using Instagram on your computer, or just want to get familiar with the new interface, this guide is for you. First, make sure you have the Instagram app open on your PC. You can do this by launching the Instagram desktop app, or by visiting Instagram.com in your web browser and logging in with your account details. The desktop experience has become much more user-friendly and now closely resembles the mobile version, making it easier than ever to navigate your favorite features. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left side of your screen. Here you'll see a vertical menu with several icons. The one you're looking for is the home icon. It looks like a small house. This home icon is your gateway to the main feed, just like on your phone. Go ahead and click on it. As soon as you click the home icon, you'll be taken straight to your home page. This is where you'll see a personalized feed filled with posts from the people and accounts you follow. At the top of the feed, you'll also find stories, displayed just like they are in the mobile app. You can scroll down to browse photos, videos, and updates, interact with posts by liking or commenting, and even switch between the For You and Following feeds to tailor what you see. The homepage is designed to keep you updated with the latest content from your network. If you want to refresh your feed for new posts, simply click the refresh button or reload the page. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can easily find and explore your Instagram homepage on PC, enjoying all the content you love in a layout that feels familiar and intuitive. Thanks for joining me, and happy browsing.